Hey friends, if you wish to remove the sidebar from Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now the sidebar was introduced to Microsoft Edge as an excellent feature which could be very helpful, but unfortunately no one liked it. This is the sidebar. I mean, no one actually uses it. It was just what do we say, attempt that failed, although it was a great attempt. So if you want to remove the sidebar and give more space to the browser, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then go to the sidebar tab on the list on the left hand side, and then select this option here, auto hidden. Okay, this will auto hide it, or select off if you want it to go permanently. When you select it at off, you will never ever encounter the sidebar. Let me show you. I'll open Edge again and there is no sidebar. I'll go to some website and there is no sidebar, and it actually gives a better look. It's quite a decluttered interface this way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.